Hi, I'm Mayor Cal Sheehy. We're going to give you an update on projects in Lake Havasu City. Come join me at your city behind the cones. So today we're here with Brent Cummings. He's the project manager on some work we're doing on Acoma. It's a water main replacement program and also repaving Acoma. But Brent, what is going on with Acoma? Everyone's asking what is happening here.
So we started this project in October, and it's a water main replacement project consisting of 8-inch, 6-inch upgraded pipe, C900, approximately 80 water services, and 22 new fire hydrants. And so that project limit is from Fremont and Acoma to Wood Lane.
Excellent. So we're actually heading to the start of where this project began. And, not only are we doing the water main project in-house, for Lake Havasu City, but, we've had a policy put in place where we just don't want other utilities to come in and tear up our brand new roads after we put them in.
Yes.
So as we continue to invest in infrastructure, we've invited the other utilities to also do work underground. So can you explain kind of what that is looking like for motorists and people that are driving in this area? Because there's just a lot of activity happening.
Sure, and there is, and I appreciate people being patient with this project, especially being on Acoma. But MPL and Unisource have collectively grouped together, and they have decided to upgrade their gas lines and gas services along Acoma inside our work area and actually outside our work area to get ahead of a future project that you mentioned.
Yeah, so we have, after this project is done on the water main, then we're going to come back and invest in our road network and repave the entire area of Acoma, but from Fremont at the beginning, where we're heading to now, all the way to McCulloch?
Even past that, we're going to go from 95 to 95 on Acoma.
Yeah, that's great. And we're doing that over 2 budget cycles. So the first cycle will get us from 95 at Fremont to McCulloch, and then we'll pick up in the next budget cycle.
Correct.
McCulloch
yes.
Over to West Acoma.
Yep. We'll just roll from one end to the next one.
Yeah, it's going to be amazing. It's what a great improvement for all of the people that use Acoma every single day, those that live on Acoma, but unfortunately that comes with some temporary inconveniences of road construction and shutdowns and bumpy roads that we're starting to experience now that we're actually in the construction zone as we head to the start of the project. Yeah, and the water main, it's so important for our citizens to have reliable water service that brings quality water to them. And it's these types of projects that ensure that we can continue to deliver that service to our residents.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you so much for the update, and thank you to all of our citizens and motorists for your patience as we do this project. We're just a few months away from really having this project complete, and we're so glad that we can showcase this, and thank you to your team's work and all of your efforts to improve Lake Havasu City and make these investments in our infrastructure. And thank you for joining us, your city behind the cones.